Hegemony is the leadership or dominance of one country or social group over another. In the context of immigration, hegemony is often interpreted as the domination of the white authority over certain ethnic groups as a result of institutional and individual forms of prejudice. Racism that stems from such prejudice establishes a specific identification of an other group, which often leads to the discrimination of said group, usually containing members of ethnic minorities or those of lower social status. The most notable instances of hegemony come from the start of globalization and early colonialism, when white Europeans desired to enslave and take advantage of the indigenous tribes of the Americas, often seeing the natives as hopeless savages in need of proper guidance from white Europeans. This ideology continued as globalization became more prominent, often targeting immigrants and lower-class citizens. 20th century film has often portrayed different levels of hegemony through cinematography and the relationships between characters of different cultural backgrounds. In this scene from Matthew Kassavitz's 1995 drama Lahain, three protagonists, Finns, a Jew, Saeed, an Arab, and Hubert, an African, are sitting in a playground during the aftermath of a riot. They are confronted, or looked at, by a passing journalist, asking if they were involved in the riots, with little to no context aside from the boys' appearance. Along with instilling anger into the three, a hegemonic hierarchy is presented both in the way the scene is shot and the way the journalist speaks to the boys. The scene is shot with the journalist looking down through a camera lens, seeing our protagonist as nothing but subjects. As Hubert describes it, it's like they're being seen as animals in a safari. The hegemony presented here is a result of native French prejudice against banlieue, the urban outcasts. From this example, it can be said that not only does hegemony in film present a social hierarchy of power between groups, it can also shift agency and present a countergaze within a film in order to give the viewer a greater understanding of the relationships between people of different cultural backgrounds, and how those relationships are seen by society.